Hey everyone, it's Stacy from Cranbrook Dodge, and welcome to February. We have got a ton of vehicles, you guys, and we need to sell them. So we are doing new and used clearance. And today I'm going to show you this 2019 Ram 1500 Sport. It is beautiful red pearl in color. It's got a leveling kit. It's got a really nice wheel on it, and the customer upgraded the tire. So a little wider tire. It's an open country, so you can run that all year. It's a short box. It's got a tonneau cover on it. Really nice looking truck. Plus it was a night edition, so it's got all the blacked out badging. It's a tow package. Crew cab. So the cab is massive, fully loaded with leather. Beautiful panoramic sunroof. Jump in the front here. It's got trailer tow mirrors, so those flip right up nice for towing. Power gas and brake pedals, power seat. Again, full leather, so you've got heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, ventilated seats, navigation, 4x4 auto, Alpine stereo with a subwoofer. So this one here's only got 49,077 under 50,000 K. It was 54,998, and Clint is doing a crazy deal at 49,998. You guys, beautiful truck, beautiful price. We want to see you driving this today. We'll give you extra money for your trade. Give us a shout, 250-426-6614.